In today's educational video, we are going to cover the benefits of having a breast augmentation procedure. I'm sure there are many women out there who are thinking about having a breast augmentation but are still undecided. Maybe this video will help them in making up their mind. From time immemorial, a bosom has always been a symbol of femininity. A well-endowed or a good shape or size breast have always made women feel very womanly. And there are so many psychological parameters on which papers have been published about how it's an important body part for women. Just imagine those who are born or who don't develop breasts properly. If they have very small breasts to start off with, they feel a little less confident about themselves. They have an inherent diffidence and they don't feel complete. These are one category of patients who certainly would benefit by having a breast augmentation done, because it's an instantaneous procedure which helps in improving the size and shape of the breast and can remove that feeling of diffidence or incompleteness that the woman probably has and helps her to live a very happy life afterwards. On the other hand, there are those who have reasonable sized breasts but they lose their volume after pregnancy or as they age, and there's deflation and there's so many changes that happen with age. And these are other category of patients who should consider having a breast augmentation, because it again restitutes the breast to the original size and shape that they had prior to the pregnancy or prior to the weight loss or prior to the aging change, which has caused deflation in the breast. Now the breast can be augmented by either silicone implants or with the fat grafting. And the silicone implants are particularly beneficial because they have a firmness which matches with a very young breast. They also improve the shape and size and volume, and this is a permanent correction. Sexually, there's no change. There is, if anything, there's an improvement, and a lot of women do find that their sexual relations have improved following a breast augmentation. In modern day and age, it is something worth considering. And that's why this is one of the most popular or commonly done aesthetic procedures abroad. And it's gaining popularity in India as well. Apart from this, the third benefit that you can have from a breast augmentation is the improvement in your clothes and the way you look and your body image, the shape. Everything improves as the breast size improves, and you're able to carry yourself out in a much better manner, and women will find that it really changes the quality of their life. So these are just some of the basic advantages of having a breast augmentation procedure, and there are many more, but you should come down for a consultation for in detailed discussion on this, and we can educate you on that. But for this video, this should be enough, and I would like to request you to like or share this video if you've appreciated it. Thank you.